Hello, on behalf of Expert Villages, my name is Joe. I'm a local jeweler in Salt Lake. I run the VUG local jewelry store. Today I was going to show you my buffer. Most jewelers generally use these buffers. What's great about them is there's a nice heavy motor to hold great loads. This is a box which has a vacuum in it and a filter, which all the dust from my buffing wheels and my sanding wheels goes back into that filter so it doesn't go all over my shop. This is a basic buffer. It's a dual unit here. I generally keep a buffing wheel on one side because I do so many rings and things. We use basic rouges, waxes, polishing waxes. This is mainly for the outside of rings or bracelets or even some delicate pieces you can do on this. On this side generally is a buffing mandrel for the inside of a ring. I do have a silicon carbide wheel here for sanding. Sometimes I'll do the outside of a shank or the side of a shank. I do use ring shells, which are sanding shells. I can sand the inside of a ring real quick and then buff it. I can also buff on the side of this really lightly. A great tool, very important, probably one of the most used. Great tool to have.